like the petals of a flower. Give it up for yourselves, guys. Great job. Thank you. You're going to have international fame, everyone. Thank you so much for coming to the 31st Annual Young Inventors Fair.